This is the only little girl. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Little bit of formula in his mouth and letting him work it out. They cannot spray at this age. These guys are only about a week old. You can see his eyes are closed. His ears are so close to his head, so he can't really hear or see. And they can't really do much at this age. And at about 3 more weeks, they'll be able to spray.